Hello beautiful hearts, today let's review the brand new ID Vada batter. This is how it looks. Now let's take a look at the package. It says squeeze and fry Vada batter. No added preservatives, no soda, used RO purified water, 100% authentic Vada batter. It also says buy only if refrigerated. Now very important, just observe, it has this unique shape to it so that it's firm and easy to squeeze the batter into the hot oil. It's really important to have a very firm hand, especially when we are working with hot oil. This is really very handy. So this is a vegetarian product and it says it makes around 10 vadas and the price is Rupees 80 for 375 grams. It always has to be refrigerated. Let's take a look at the ingredients. Urad dal, rice flour, RO purified water and edible common salt. Okay, so let's look at the new pack. This is how the nozzle is. It is sealed. Let me remove it. Okay, so this is how the nozzle is, and this one is a screw. Look at it. So once done using it, you can just screw it back and refrigerate until next use. So this is easy to store. Once you have finished using it, just push the leftover batter towards the nozzle, fold it and clip it. Now shall we go ahead and make these vadas? Yummy, I'm just waiting to taste them. Okay, so this is how the package looks. The pouch is sealed. Let's remove the seal now. So this is still patent pending design, and this thing is a screw so that you can just unscrew it, make vadas, then screw it back and preserve the leftover or remaining batter in fridge. This is how we screw it back. Oil is perfectly hot enough to fry our vadas. So let's, okay, see this might happen, the plastic thing will just fall off, so you cannot fry vadas when that happens. Lift the plastic thing up, then squeeze the batter and bring the plastic thing down. I don't know what do you call that, so I just call it as a plastic thing. Next another one, just squeeze the batter, bring it down, and it will cut the vadas with a perfect circular shape and a hole in between. So my first vada was a disaster. That's okay. Every time you can't be perfect at the first shot, right? Let's give another try. So the second one looks good. Let's see. Awesome! Wow! It looks really awesome and yummy. Not bad. I need to pat on my back. Okay, very happy to see this. It's so beautiful. It looks beautiful. Okay, so this is the first ever vada I've made, which is shapeless, and this is the second one, which is Mr. Perfect, golden brown, circular with a hole. Looks super crispy and yummy too. So I'm lifting this plastic thing up, squeezing the batter, and then pushing this down to cut the vada. Fry. Okay, so now that I've learned the process, it's very easy. It's really easy. Two things we need to take care of is the plastic thing on this nozzle should not be down. You have to keep it up, then squeeze the batter and then bring it down to cut the batter into the hot oil so that you can fry them crisp. Otherwise, the situation will be a little panicky. And the second thing is, you have already dropped the first vada into the oil, and when you are about to make the second vada, the steam from the cooking vada will be raising up and your hand will be on top of it. So the plastic in your hand and your skin, there are chances of getting hot and burnt a little bit due to the steam of the vada being cooked down. So please do take care of it, and this is a caution for you, so that you can be well prepared and be aware of it in advance. Please do handle with care. And because of this, you cannot drop the vadas from too much of height. If you do that, it splashes and the oil will splatter everywhere. It's really very dangerous. You might get hurt even more. So maintain a safe distance and height while dropping the vadas into the oil. So this is how the vada looks. Please excuse the dark color. Actually the vadas are good looking. It's all because of white balance settings and the color difference in it. I managed to make more than 10 vadas in one packet of batter. So this is my palm and this is the size of the vada. They are quite good enough. Just trying to taste it. Crispy, crunchy. Wow, awesome. It's crispy on the outer side and it's very soft inside. Okay, thank you. How was it? Okay, so it's easy to make and tasty. From our side, it's a thumbs up.